Diamond. Ultra valuable, ultra scarce, ultra secure.
Okay, we're going to be talking about to run your Masternode today. And trying to do that, the first thing you go to download your top project by going to www.top project and try to click on maybe you're using Microsoft Windows, then you download it. And once you've been able to do that, as you can see right here, is already downloading. And you have your document right now. So what I'm going to be doing right now, I'll be copying the two documents from my top projects, the two folders for the downloaded top projects, and okay, let me move it now into my DMD folder. Once that is done, the wallet is located in my D drive, and the working directory of the wallet is called mn1 and contains the main file of the wallet. And now let me start it right now. Let me close this first, then start my wallet. So I'm trying to start the wallet right now. It's going to take time to sync with the network. Okay, let me check. Here we have my address, and before then, you create a temporary auxiliary text file for your work, and that is what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to be putting it inside my DMD folder. That is the text file I'll be using for what I'm going to be doing. Now under my start, I check the properties where we see where I will copy the properties of the target and also put it in my text file document. Then the wallet is launched with a pre-selected and free port with the system of 1772. So I'm going to save it right here. Then we go to settings to set up our Tor server. We'll create a file without an extension, and okay. With this, I'm going to change configuration. I'm going to change the configuration to be called Torx, TORC. That is what I'm going to be changing the configuration, and open with a notepad and template in this text. So I'm going to be putting the template, and so make sure that all the parts of the key files are specified correctly. Now I have my 1772. That's what I'm trying to do to make sure that everything is correct before saving. And then now I need to create a shortcut to start my Tor server, as that is very, very important. And in order to do that, go to create shortcut and edit the shortcut for Tor server to work perfectly by editing my targets. Take the target, and it's an additional part to the talk file, which is an additional part. Then I'm going to delete the start of the description must be clear. You can also add your own icon to run the shortcut, and that is what I'm going to be doing right now. I'll add my own icon to start for the shortcut, and once that is done, I can save the shortcut and place it on my desktop. Place it right on the desktop page, and from there go back to my DMD folder and check my Masternode, go to them and see that. Then run my server through the created shortcut. I'm going to run my Tor server through my created shortcut, waiting for 100% start and see what's in the folder I'm in. There are two new folders, you can see it right now. These are private keys and host names. Then you open the host name file and copy the created name to a temporary test file. That's the next thing we're going to be doing. Copy it to the test file. So now you close the wallet and go to settings of the file diamond.conf. Then you insert a prepared template in that, and it already has a name.honum domain for the hostname file. And then just in case we check it again, and we'll try to check it again. Okay, everything is in order right now. Is 1772. So once again, check the number of the entered ports to be sure, to be double sure. And in your DMD folder, then you go to your property again and check that it's 1772. And once you're clear with that, you run the wallet and make sure it starts normally. And you make sure it starts normally. Okay. So okay, so check your peer list. That's the next thing we're gonna be doing. Now I'm waiting for some transaction with the necessary amount to run my Masternode in 10,000 DMT. So before then, let's talk about hidden files and folders. In order to enable it, you go to your control panel and you check your folder options, and here you'll be able to, you can see change the settings affect the display of the extension on the sample text file, because you have to change the changing of the settings affected, and return the display mode extension as is still useful to us. And okay, all right, yes, okay, apply, and okay, yeah, that is done. So the coins came to the address. Yeah, I've gotten the coin right now, so we're waiting for full confirmation of all transactions. I'm gonna wait and now copy the wallet address to a temporary test file. Once you're able to do that, yes, you're gonna copy right here, and ensure you save it, and yeah, close it. So turn off Tor server and go to setting up Masternode. So we see all transactions are fully confirmed right now, and this is the first. You need to fully unlock the wallet by entering a password. You enter your password and go to the tap coin control and see that we have several groups with coins. Needed to make one transaction to verify. So to do this, you go to your console in order to make a transaction. You go to your control. Let's use help to check what we're going to be using, the command we're going to be using. Okay, use the following command to send coins to your own wallet, to your own address. Okay, exactly. So you check the address again. That is exactly what you're going to be using to send the coin to your address. You check your address again so that you don't make any mistake. And once that is done, you send. So yes, I've successfully sent. So you close the console and check the transaction. That's the next thing you're gonna do. Once you check the current transaction, and you go to coin control and see our group of coins, exactly 10,000 DMT. Yeah, so we have 10,000 DMT right there. Okay, now I expect full confirmation of the transaction, and that's what I'm gonna be doing right there. So again, to go to console and copy the transaction ID, and once you've been able to copy the transaction ID, you also save it in the temporary test file. Yeah, save it in the temporary test file. Okay, so so we now create Masternode gen key with the command, right? Save the receipt key to a temporary test file too, and okay, I'm gonna be saving it right here, temporary text file. Yeah, so save. Okay, the next thing, now you go to the index of the outgoing transaction to start Masternode. And so start Masternode, save the resulting value. You also save the resulting value from the index. And okay, paste it here. You also save it. Okay, and the next thing we're gonna be doing is to open the file masternode.conf. Yeah, masternode.conf, and okay. All right. So also open the file diamond.conf. Okay, you open it too. You make necessary verifications, and then you also try to copy that and paste it. Paste it right here. So now in the temporary test file, we have all the necessary information to configure the file masternode.conf. Now what you need to do now is to go to masternode.conf and clear unnecessary information from the file masternode.conf and insert the data from the templates. And you need to insert the data from the template. Okay. Now check the entered values again to be sure you're not making any mistake. Make sure everything is okay and everything is correct. Alright, okay. There you go. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to verify that everything is in order right now, so that there is no mistake. Now I will save it. Perfect. So restart your wallet. That is the next thing you're gonna do. Next thing is to restart your wallet, and okay, yeah, it's gonna sync with the network, and you go to Masternode tab and see the created new Masternode. Okay, here we have it. Okay. Okay, close the wallet and start your Tor server. After that, you're going to start your Tor server. Okay. Alright, I'll do it. Okay. And once that is done, you run the wallet and activate your Masternode again. So we're getting close. Okay, so you check this again. Okay, it's in order. Put your send inputs, then check all you need to check, ensure everything is okay. Okay, you unlock your wallet, put your password. Okay, go to your Masternode again. From there you're gonna see and check everything is in order, and you can start it right here. Yes. Okay, main is activated. You must wait for some time before the active startup begins. So it's now activated right now. Yeah. Okay, so here you have everything. So it appears everything is in order right now, and so we also recommend adding a few more lines to the diamond file.conf, so let's add that. So this is Masternode status and Masternode gen key. Paste it, save and restart the wallet. There you go. Okay. Yeah, everything is in order. Everything is in order. So save it. And overview. Close that. Close your wallet. Then the next thing you're going to do right now is to restart it again. And there you go. Check the connection of the wallet to the third network and see that the countdown to Masternode has begun. You have to ensure that the countdown has begun. And then Masternode. Okay. I think it's in order right now. Okay. Yeah. So there we go. So now it's necessary to unlock the wallet in POS staking mode, and you can delete all temporary files. Yeah. So you check that place, gonna start working. Then overview, and then check it right here. You have everything there too. Then you close it, and yeah, that is in order too. The top server is in order too and working perfectly. And you can take care of that by deleting it. Yeah. With that, we've come to the end of the training today, and in the next video we'll be talking about how to disable Windows updates and configure the system for active mode. So stay tuned and thank you.